Boldt HVAC is a top choice for furnace installation in Dakota County, Minnesota, offering extensive HVAC experience and tailored solutions for local needs. Their veteran-owned company provides reliable, energy-efficient heating with skilled technicians, solid warranties, and participation in energy conservation programs like Weatherization Assistance and LIHEAP. Are you looking for a furnace installation in Dakota County, Minnesota? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How much does a new furnace installation typically cost in Dakota County, Minnesota? The price for a new furnace installation in Dakota County, MN, generally ranges from $3,000 to $7,000, depending on the furnace type, size, and any additional work required. Boldt HVAC offers tailored estimates to ensure you receive the best value for your specific needs. What should I consider when selecting a furnace installation professional? When selecting a furnace installation expert in Dakota County, Minnesota, it's crucial to evaluate their experience, customer feedback, and warranty options. Boldt HVAC, a veteran-owned company, is known for its excellent service and offers robust warranties and skilled technicians to ensure reliable and efficient furnace installations. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at the following locations in Minnesota: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Dakota County, Minnesota? We are located at 20721 Holyoke Avenue, 1st floor. Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Lakeville-MN.